Well, good morning. This is Steve Jones. I'm on the Goldsmith-Schiffman Wildlife Sanctuary here on March 24th at 10 a.m. I'm along the bank of the Flint River. The Flint River, a few miles from here, drains into the Tennessee River, and the main branch of the river is a few hundred feet to my south, and there's an island out here, and I'm with a group from LearningQuest, Huntsville, Alabama LearningQuest, and we're touring this property with Marion Moore Lewis, who wrote the book Southern Sanctuary about the seasons here at the sanctuary. This is a riparian forest. This is pure hardwood for the most part. And here's I'm looking up a hickory tree about 15, 17 inches in diameter. Poison ivy vines ascending up into the canopy. And here's a tangle of poison ivy and grape of some kind, maybe muscadine. The forest floor here is just covered with bulbous cress, spring cress. I see Virginia Spring Beauty. Virginia Spring Beauty has the very delicate white flowers with the pink pinstripes. This is the cress here, and then the yellow is a buttercup. There goes the group wandering up along the pathway. LearningQuest is a non-credit continuing ed program for lifelong learning, mostly for people who are retired here in the area. And I'm going to bring this to closure now. Again, Steve Jones, March 24th, from the Goldsmith-Schiffman Wildlife Sanctuary in Madison County, Alabama. The sanctuary is owned and operated by the city of Huntsville.